Brittle nails, thinning hair, slow progress in the gym, these might be clear signs you're not getting enough protein. Protein isn't just about building muscle, it's essential for recovery, tissue repair, and overall health. Without enough protein, your body struggles to repair muscles, leading to longer recovery times and less progress in the gym. Here are some clear signs you might not be getting enough protein. Number 1, slow recovery times. If your muscles are sore for an extended period of time after your workouts, you might need more protein to repair them. Number 2 is frequent injuries. Protein is crucial for tissue repair, and a lack of it can make you more prone to injuries. Number 3 is loss of muscle mass. Despite regular workouts, you might notice your muscles shrinking instead of growing. Number 4 is increased hunger. Protein helps keep you feeling full, so constant hunger might indicate you're not getting enough protein. Number 5, hair, skin, and nail problems. Brittle nails, hair loss, and dry skin can all be clear signs of protein deficiency. So how can you ensure that you're getting enough protein? Incorporate protein-rich foods into your diet. Lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and nuts are great options. Consider adding a protein shake or a bar to your routine, especially post-workout. Track your intake using a nutrition app such as MyFitnessPal to ensure you're hitting your protein goals. Remember, everyone's protein needs are different. A general guideline is to aim for 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. But if you're more active, you might need more. Don't let a lack of protein be the reason you're not achieving your fitness goals. If you're unsure of your protein intake and how you can fit it into your lifestyle and looking for more guidance, check out my 5-day QuickStart Physique Launch. Here's what you'll learn. Basics of nutrition. Fuel your workouts and achieve your physique goals. Essential techniques for strength training. Build muscle and get toned. Advanced methods to optimize workouts, maintain progress, and keep improving. Benefits of effective strategies for cardio fitness, improve overall health and endurance. Foundations of effective fitness goals and planning. Set the right goals and plan for success. Stay consistent and eat right, and let's crush those fitness goals together. Click in the description below to get that 5-day quick start today. Don't wait.